Welcome. In this video we are going to talk about operations. So we had the first example with this. Let me repurpose it. Save it, save, close. So here we are with the base model. Let's go and add some more entities. So Ernő 55, height should be 180, and Ildikó, age 56, height 160. Alright, so now if we execute this, we can see that we have some entries in the in-memory database or repository. So from redbird.oper we can import the greater equal, greater than, the less equal, less than, and not equal operators. And what we can do with this is filter the data. So for example, we would like to iterate over the entities where the filter by returns that the age is greater than 40. This should return two entities, and there we go. We could also iterate over items where less equal than 55. Yeah, and not equal should be also demonstrated. There we go. So technically, Redbird provides operations or operators from the redbird.oper submodule, and you can use it in your filter by expressions to check for specific conditions. And technically, that was all I wanted to tell you about the operators that are provided in Redbird. See you in the next one.